How to convert audio file formats with Lalal.ai. First of all, go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar of your web browser. Next, make sure you are logged in. Then, click on the Select Files button to upload your audio file. Browse your device, choose the file you want to convert, and click Open to start uploading it. Wait for the upload to finish. Once the file is uploaded, Lalal.ai will process it and separate the vocals and instrumentals using its AI technology. After processing is complete, click the Speed in Full button to generate the full version of the separated files. When it's ready, click Get Speed Files. If you are using a free plan, the download option may be limited. To access the full download feature, you will need to subscribe to a paid plan. After subscribing, you will be able to choose from various audio file formats such as MP3, OGG, WAV, FLAC, AAC, and more. Select the format you prefer, then click the download button to save the audio in your chosen format to your device. And that's it. Now you know how to convert audio file formats with Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.